Here's how you can add a WhatsApp chat button on a non-WordPress website. The easiest way to do this without any coding is to go to whatshelp.io/widget and you will see this page. So this page contains a tool that allows you to create a WhatsApp button, something like this. So to do that, you just press this button, say get your button. And here is where you configure your chat button. Now the beauty of this tool is that you don't just get to integrate with WhatsApp, you can also integrate with Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp here, Viber, Snapchat, Line, Telegram, SMS call, and even email. But for this free version, you can only integrate with 2 apps. So now I'm gonna pick Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp. So maximum is 2. If I want to click more, see that I have to pay for the Pro version. But nonetheless, Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp basically covers almost the entire world because most people in the world use Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp. So next, I need to enter my Facebook page over here. Now for this tutorial, I'm just going to enter my Kudora Facebook page and WhatsApp number. For this tutorial, I'm just gonna copy this number here. Now let's go down. You can further customize your button over here. You can change the greeting message if you want a Pro version. Otherwise, you can only change this and this. So position is at the bottom right corner, which will look like this. And call to action message will be messages. So let's go down further. Now you can continue to configure all this with the Pro version, of course. And may I remind you that I'm not in any way endorsing or affiliated to this WhatsApp website. So last but not least, to get the code to insert into your website, you just have to give your email address. Now here's a trick. You don't actually have to give a real email because they don't actually send you that code. All you need to do is just enter any fake email here and press on the get button code. And you see, immediately I get the code down here. So I'll just hit select all and right click and select copy. So what I need to do next is I need to copy and paste this code before the /body tag on every page of my website where I want this chat button here to appear. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So I logged into my FileZilla and to my web hosting server, and here's my server. I will select this index.html file to add that code. So this is the code. Alright, so you don't have to worry for all this mess here. You just have to scroll all the way down to find that /body tag right over here. So what I'll do now is I'm just gonna create some space and I'm gonna paste that code I just copied like this and save it. So if I return here, I have to upload it to my web hosting server. Done. So I'll return to my website, which is this URL. And this is the current landing page that I have. I'm just gonna refresh this page. And there you go. So I have my chat button at the bottom right corner here. And this is how people or my users can message me via WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger. Now, do note that people actually complain that when you integrate this button on your website, it actually slightly slows your website down. So it's good that after you included this button, go and do a speed test on your website to ensure that you're happy with the speed of your website. Now, the other way that you can integrate this button easily, in fact, on a WordPress website, is to go to your WordPress dashboard and search for the keyword What's Help under the Add Plugin section over here, and you will see this plugin here. All you need to do is just click on Install Now. Well, after this is installed and activated, you still have to copy the code from the website to this plugin. So I'm going to show you how. So down here you see there's a new menu called What's Help. Click on it. So you see I still have to return to what'shelp.io/widget to get the button code. So I'm just going to repaste again the code that I got just now and click on Save Changes. And now if I go to my home page, I will see this button here. So that's how you do it.